We're going to do a brief technical analysis on Lucid Stock, LCID Technical Analysis. We're looking at a daily chart of Lucid Group Inc. and we've got a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's go back here and take a look at this stock's big time high, which was right here at, looks like 64 bucks on February 18th, and we can see that this stock crashed down, tested the 200-day moving average, rallied right back of it, and kind of went not exactly parabolic but almost parabolic above the 200-day moving average to about the 157 level. Crashed back down, went through a test of the 200-day moving average that was successful, and meaning successfully, I should say unsuccessful, it didn't hold up, and even though the 200 was sloped upwards, the price went through it, and we're officially in a bear market in this stock. So if we take a look at this, we expand it out. Since about February 2022, we've been in a bear market of this stock. Not a severe bear market, but it's certainly the price is gone way down. But the reality of the situation is we were at about $28, $29 in February, and we're pushing lows now right at today around 14 bucks. The lowest low here in May 12th, around May 12th, was $13.25. So we're looking at a stock that's in a bear market. We're looking at a stock that the volatility, you can see, the daily volatility has dried up dramatically. We have what appears to be a short-term bottom put in here around May 12th, and then this is a combination of things. This is distribution of people who were just disgusted and sold out because they've taken losses. It's also accumulation. You can see we're making higher highs on, lower highs on the higher bottoms. On here and here we're making higher bottoms. We're also making higher highs. So we have some accumulation here. Even though this sell-off would indicate maybe we're going to test this May 12th low, and it's definitely possible, we're still in a trading range on this stock. We've been in a trading range oscillating around $17 ever since May 12th-ish. So right now we're significantly below the 200-day moving average, which is still sloping down. We're below the 20 and the 5-day moving average. So this stock's in a short-term downtrend in a bear market. Whether or not this bear market is going to continue is dependent on whether it breaks out of its trading range. As I said, it's been trading between about $21 and $13 all through the summer. It's got to break out of that one way or the other, and it's got to do that fairly soon from a technical perspective. My best guess is we're going to go down here and probably challenge this $13 level, although I'm not necessarily sure that we'll get to the $13 level. It's not that far. It's within $2. So we'll probably get down there a little bit and test that within the next 3, 4, 5 days. And assuming we do, I would bet that we get a rally back up to the $17 areas roughly. If that does not happen and we kind of stop going down here around this level, around this $14 level, then we need to get across over the 5-day, across over the 20-day, and then we need to see a strong movement up to the $21, $22 level and beyond to attempt to get the stock out of its bear market. It is still in a bear market. The risks are both long and short. I'd weight this right now for entertainment purposes only, and just in my opinion, I would weight this probably about a 30% risk of a decline from here and about a 70% chance of a rally from here. But that's all in my opinion, and that's just for entertainment purposes only. We're going to probably get some, if we don't get some really bad news on this stock, we're probably going to get some movement back up because it has sold off pretty good. Again, I don't get into the fundamentals, and this is a relatively new trading stock, but that's what the charts are telling me right now. Again, all my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only. I have checked. RBAM Research does not cover the stock. I will check and see about having them add it. But if this stock gets above its 20-day moving average price and gets above the 5-day and the 20-day moving average, and it does that by about the end of September range into this month, then I would expect from that point that we challenge the 200-day moving average and get up in the mid-20s doing that, maybe the low 23-ish range in the first or second week of October, somewhere around in there. But we have to get that rally. So that's where I see this right now. Potential decline, but I would favor a rally here up to the $18 level, and then if we get the technical setups that I described earlier above the 5 and 20-day moving average, price above all that, then I would suspect at some point late September, early October, we take a chance at the take a run at the 200-day moving average. So that's my best guess for entertainment purposes only right at this moment. If you want to take a look real quick, we cover 190 stocks for algorithmic trading. I'm going to check and see if we can add Lucid. And at the moment we don't have it, but these come out Monday through Friday every morning before 7 a.m. They're for buys only for stocks. They have 1-day, 5-day, 20-day hold. These are trading days, and the way this works is if your own analysis says it's a good idea, you can buy in a 1-day column and close out at a loss at the end of the next trading day, or take your profits as soon as you get them, and the same thing for the 5 and the 20. If you bought in the 20 column, you'd buy, expect to hold a worst case 20 days where you close at a loss, or take your profits before then if you got them. These are all for entertainment purposes only, and you can't use them for anything other than that. You just have to back them up with your own analysis, but it's fun to come visit rbamresearch.com and check them out on a regular basis, because they give you a good idea of what we think is going on. You can get these all for free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major forex pairs. We cover BTC for cryptos, and we cover the most liquid futures. Again, updated every morning by 7 a.m. You can sign up by following the link in the description below to rbamresearch.com and just sign up right there. No cost, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe and see more of these, please do that. If you have a comment on making these videos better, please give us a comment in the bottom below. We'd appreciate it. Everything that you've heard or seen on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. All of the discussions and prices are for entertainment purposes only, and they're all our opinion. You definitely trade at your own risk, and you have to do your own research and trade on your own research, not ours.